Hi, hello, and welcome to all. In this video, I'm just going to share the motivational story of Elon Musk. But before entering into today's topic more deeply, I want to share one quote to you. First of all, you have to start regretting your past, and then you have to put your confidence. You have to increase your confidence level in your present life, and then you have to believe in your future, and also you have to face your future fearlessly. Then only you can lead a happy and successful life. Okay, now we can enter into today's topic some more deeply. We all know that Elon Musk is one of the best person and also one of the richest person in the world, and he has succeeded more and more things in his life, and we all know all these things, but we don't know his struggles before he succeed all those things. In this video, I'm just going to share all the struggles which he had faced before he succeeded in his life. When he was a 12 years old boy, he developed one game and he just sold it to Computer Magazine, and he earned nearly $500 and in that period of time, and on those period of time in 1984 and the period of time at all, this $500 is one of the biggest amount in Africa side at all. So he earned that biggest amount in his age 12 itself, and also it is not the biggest game thing at all, because if we give that game to our children and the children which are nearby us, they will feel it as somewhat a boring thing, but in a period of time it is somewhat a best game only. And then he became a millionaire in his age 27 after he sold his first company, an online media service establishment, and he sold that company to ComQ for nearly $307 million. And after that, he just found X.com, and after certain years, he sold that company to nearly for $1.5 million, and he earned nearly $108 million as his profit amount. And then only he started two companies, that is Tesla and then SpaceX. These two companies, we all know that these two companies are one of the best companies in the world in this current scenario. But in the starting period of time, it was not like that. It is one of the failure company. He faced more and more failures. He tried to launch nearly 3 rockets in using his company SpaceX, but all those 3 went into a very tragic failure, and he faced nearly failure for nearly 6 years in his lifetime. And after that, at last he had one opportunity. The last rocket, the 4th rocket, he was building that 4th rocket, and he need nearly $90 million in that period of time to build one rocket. But in his hand, he had only nearly $75 million, and he is the one and only owner of his company, so he couldn't afford that much amount. So he struggled a lot to afford that much 90 million amount to launch that rocket, and that struggles all went into success. The 4th rocket went into a great success, and NASA just turned their attention towards this SpaceX company, and they made a collaboration with the SpaceX company, and also NASA gave a multi-million-dollar contracts to this SpaceX company after the great success of his 4th rocket. And simultaneously, he managed his Tesla company too in a very well manner. He launched the 3rd generation of Tesla cars, and it made a great impact, and more people just loved that car, and it was just nearly $35,000. And also he launched another one car, and it made all the companies to turn towards his Tesla company, and that car is one of the very fastest roadster car, and it cost nearly $100,000. And then his main plan and the main idea to in his Tesla company is to produce three varieties of cars, the three ranges of cars. That is a luxurious car, and then a mid-range car, and then one mass compaction car. And he made it two. And if you know and if you came to know his busy schedule, you will be amazed. He took only 2 weeks holiday in his 12 years journey. He just put himself, his brain, his soul, and everything towards his imagination, towards his dream, towards his company, and towards his goal. So because of that reason only, he is now in this great position, and he used to sleep only 6 hours a day, and rest of the period of time in that particular day will be put towards the goal and put towards his dream. So if you start doing the things which you love, then surely you will achieve the thing one day in your life. And this is one of the example too. And also he is one of the person who don't hesitate to experiment something newly. He don't have any boundaries at all. He is the person who always used to break the boundary and create something new in the history. And now recently he tried to, and he also found one special flamethrower to just launch his Tesla cars in the space. And he is trying to go beyond the boundary, and he is trying to invent something new towards this world. So my dear viewers, don't hesitate to show something new towards this world, because people won't accept it very soon, but one day they will accept. So don't change your mind for others. Stay stable in the thing which you think, and don't be inside some boundaries at all, and don't hesitate to be downwards, because we all will face ups and downs in our life. While you're facing downwards and while you're going downwards, don't push yourself to downwards. Try to come up and try to improve your skills and try to recapture the place which you were. And then the another thing is, you have to put your time if you want to reach something. Simply sitting in a place cannot bring you anything. You have to stand up and do the thing which you want. And then at last, the last thing is, do the thing which you like. Don't do the things which other people like, because we all are unique in our own way. So everyone likes something newly. So don't change yourself for others. If you start changing yourself, then you have to change yourself until you die. So don't change your goal, your ambition, your ideas, your imagination, anything for anyone. Then only you can lead a successful life, and you can be a successful person in this world. Okay viewers, I think you will like this video and the information presented in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye.